Should be driven from a chain, should redirect aim.
Everything stays the same.
Living is great, fuck switching up lanes. Perfect picture in my frame.
So sick and so vain.
Got many trying to cope, we ain't throw them no rope. Spend our pennies on dope.
Got plenty but we broke.
Souls choked in confusion, overdosed in potent illusions. And got people trying to climb, who be teaching to the blind, the defeated in the mind, reasons to shine. Time to be wise, drama as the seas rise. A bomber has that peace prize, so believe what you like. Middle East cries, feasting on their pipelines. I can see it's high time that we need to define why people dying over resource exports. Human born, this world beat a chessboard. What are we waiting for? It's always slipping away. What can be done at all? My God, life is so wonderful. Yeah. What are we waiting for? It's always slipping away. What can be done at all? My God, life is so wonderful. Yeah. Could we be blamed for our love for the benefits? For our brains stay drugged off the rhetoric. We well trained, don't touch any evidence.